decided to visit this beautiful place here in Bukidnon. The view was amazing, the weather was nice, and everything seemed peaceful. And here's my husband, living his best life, dancing, enjoying the moment, and completely unaware of what was about to happen next. Little did he know, this happiness was about to disappear. Because guess what? It was time for the bicycle zipline. Unfortunately for him, there was no turning back. So there we were, up in the air, riding the bicycle zipline. But despite the fear, the experience was actually so much fun. The view was beautiful, the adventure was unforgettable, and of course, he survived.